Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Schrantz, and today I'm going to attempt to do the impossible. I'm going to go head-to-head with Stockfish 12, the new strongest chess engine on the planet. This thing is an absolute monster. It's 130 rating points higher than the previous version of Stockfish 11. It has the same brute force it's always had, but they've added NNUE. It's got this neural network learning that's able to be updated, so it's constantly getting stronger. So as far as I see it, as humans, we really have one chance. We gotta defeat this thing now. Once it learns any of our tricks, it's just going to keep crushing us forever. And the development speed is absolutely off the charts. It's absolutely insane. This thing is incredible. Stockfish 12 is what you need. I'll even leave a link in the description, so if you guys want to go download it, if you're ever analyzing chess, you definitely want to get Stockfish 12, because it's just incredible. But I have a few tricks. I have one trick. And my trick is, I'm going to play it. I'm always going to make the top move for Stockfish. And my big trick is, don't tell the engines. I'm going to try to trick it into a Nachmanson Gambit. There's a lot of lines there where I think maybe it won't be able to figure out the positions. So if I can somehow trick it into a Nachmanson, maybe it'll fall for one of the lines that engines don't know as well. So we'll see if we can get it to do that. And if it ever says like plus 10 in my favor or something, we'll just resign for the engine. We don't want to embarrass it here. But I also don't want to embarrass myself. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to play e4, and then whatever it says e5 right now. So that's the move that we're going to play. Now to trick it into a Nachmanson, if it's like Stockfish 11, I think one of the better ways to trick it from the starting position into a Nachmanson is to here play this exact move order. So now it says knight to c6, no, knight f6, knight f6. I will play knight to f3, and then I'm hoping for knight to c6. But oh, it's going for the Urasov Gambit. Okay, so maybe I can sit here and wait for the depth to change. I don't know how cheating that is. There's going to be a lot of haters in the comments, but you know what, guys? We're the humans. We're the ones that got to win. So I will play it. I'll play an Urasov. I'm happy to play an Urasov. It says bishop to e7. I'll play bishop g5. So far we're still kind of in theory here. Now it's going for h6. I don't know, h6, castle, c6. Oh, actually, I should move fast, right? Because otherwise it'll think. If I don't move fast enough, it'll have more time to think. So I actually better speed up through some of these moves. So after this, I think moving the rook in is the theory, but let's bring the queen over. Oh, it actually likes bringing the queen over. Ooh, a little bit of lag here. It actually is hard, so people are going to complain because I'm on one CPU, but it is hard to record this and run the engine at the same time. Stockfish, very happy with the position. This is the main move, but let's not do what it wants us to do. Let's play bishop to d3 if it will let us. Let's just aim at that king. We got to get a cheap knockout win that it won't see coming. So we threaten to remove the knight, so it plays h6. Oh no, I mean, we're actually getting a tremendous amount of leg today. But yeah, we're threatening the knight. We want to take this knight. And so it plays here. And yeah, I mean, taking on h6 seems like super normal. I will bring my other rook in if it'll let me. I just want to bring the rook in. Maybe this Stockfish is actually too... Oh no, I actually blundered my bishop. Maybe this thing is too strong to run and then also record with. But after g6, I don't know if there's some way, if I can just sneak in here and remove this knight somehow. Maybe I can get a rook up and over, or maybe I have some sneaky ways of removing this knight. But it says bishop d6, the only defense. Wow, so it wants to go here. So I probably should just not let it, right? Yeah, h4 is also interesting, but g3 was the first thing that kind of came to my mind. Just trying to prevent, even if it's a trade, I don't want it to be able to play bishop to f4 and get me. Okay, so queen to c7, though. Is it still trying to go there? But wait a minute. Wait a minute. What if... Can I do this? Wait a minute. I'm calculating while the leg is happening. What if I go here? Because you can't take. I take with the rook and I swing it over. And if you take with the knight, you get mated. So wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Wait, wow, it didn't see this trick. It totally missed this move. It wants bishop f4. And I'm just going to take it here. Wow, so I think we're going to win this one. If it takes my knight, which is what it wants to do, I'm going to play bishop c4, I think. Why not bishop c4? I'm going to play bishop c4 was my main idea, because now there's a pin here. And if you just, if you take here, which is what it wants to do, oh, we're getting very close to plus 10. I'm about to call this one. And the leg is actually helping me here. Plus 10! Yeah, rook e3 was my next move. We're claiming this as a victory for humanity here. An absolute victory. He's going to have to sack the queen to avoid the checkmate. We did it! Wow, first try we took down the mighty Stockfish 12. And I guess that's how you do it. You just Urusov Gambit wins by force. It totally missed. This one move here. It was off the radar. Let's see if it sees it now. Yeah, knight c to e4 was off the radar. So the idea is relatively simple. We just want to remove that knight and deliver a checkmate. And I guess it didn't see this possible move here. So score 1 for humanity. I will take it. Very happy with that. Not sure if I can actually keep making these because, well, the lag was actually kind of annoying. But we'll see what we can do for future videos. So if you did like it, I've actually battled Stockfish quite a lot. So come to my channel, subscribe, check out all the engine moves, and help me flex on the strongest engines in the world. I'll see you guys.